In this video, we will show the best window AC in India 2020 available to buy. At number 1, Voltas 1.5-ton 5-star window AC. At number 2, Hitachi 1-ton 5-star window AC. At number 3, Carrier 1.5-ton 3-star window AC CACW18EA3W, white. At number 4, Carrier 1-ton 3-star window AC. At number 5, Carrier 18K Estrella Premium Window AC. At number 6, Lloyd 1.5-ton 3-star window AC LW19A3N, white. At number 7, Whirlpool 1.5-ton 3-star window AC. At number 8, Blue Star 3W18LB window AC 1.5-ton. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.